On this episode, I brave camping at Ford Fair with a little one, loads of classic Fords, bird poo on the steering wheel, I check out Trigs' awesome Mark 1 race car, the Golden Nugget, Mark 4 Escort vans drifting, and Lawrence beating the Mark 2 out on track.
Grab some petrol, and Lawrence has shot off, so I'm just going to catch up with him a bit on the motorway.
Daddy,
Yeah?
Daddy, you see my car, and that means you're really close.
Okay, we'll catch him up. We'll pop your ear defenders back on, pups.
Daddy, no.
It's going to get noisy on the motorway.
Daddy, no. Oh, you're the motorway.
Yeah, this is the M40.
By the way, that's not for me.
Sorry?
By the way, that's not for me. My ears are adjusted.
Your ears are adjusted? No, it doesn't work like that. You need to put your ear defenders on, so I'm going to put mine on. You ready? Yeah? Okay. Made it. Edith. This is the campsite. Should we go pitch our tent in the rain? Bosh! And my sleeping bag. Bosh! And your happy napper. Bosh! Alright, set up base camp. Got the tent up. Lawrence has got his awesome race rig set up. We're just going to camp down for the night and then get up early in the morning and head over to the track that's over there for an awesome show. Race ya! Don't spray it in the lock. Don't spray it in the lock. Edith, maybe either. Smile! Right. Got some sleep last night in the tent with the little one. Lots of popping and banging and loud music here. I forget that about Ford Fair. But yeah, gonna pack up the tent, pack up all the gear, and then head on to the show, which is just over there. You sleep alright? Yeah, nice sleep in the tent. Shall we go and see what the racetrack looks like? Yeah? Come on then.
Okay.
Let's hit the road. Yeah, we're here for the show. The show's in the racetrack, so we've got to drive over to the racetrack. Yeah, on the Classicfords stand. You up for that? Big Ben's in there, yeah. Well, we made it in. A lot of traffic, not so bad obviously coming through the back entrance with the camping lot, but still got to find our way to the Classicfords stand. Edith. What's that? Do you love that smell?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Cars?
Race cars.
Vinny's Mark 1. It's daily, drives it through London. Roof rack on the top usually with the bikes on. Banded steels, all the toys. So, like this Anglia as well on the trailer arches. Original steering wheel, period looking. Original looking colour. It's gold roof, so he must be a National Hot Rod World Champion. I like this beige little Mark 2 here. What do you reckon? No? Mark 3? Mark 2 Mitchell's Mark 2? You're still looking you're looking for your mate? What's that? Oh yeah. Looks good on the AMG wheels. They see it really well. Like this. Very clean. The compromise.
It's only 1.3, whereas the XR2 is 1.2.
Daddy, let me hold that.
Okay, can you help him? What do you think of this car? Is it cool? Does it need a wash? It's got third peel on the steering wheel. Do you want to go have a look? So this thing's now Smith & Jones engine, 600 and horsepower, sequential gearbox. Still got the third wheel on the steering wheel. Just going out on track in a sec. Proper sleeper. Still got the scuzz on the roof.
Daddy.
Proper Joker car that. Stand in front of it, I'll take a picture. It's round here.
Right, so one of the coolest cars of the show for me was Trigs' awesome, half-built, or almost built, Mark 1 racer. This thing's going to be racing in the modified Ford series, which if you've seen some of my other videos, you know all about that. This car has been a long time in the making. I follow him on Instagram, and it was really good to get up close and personal with the car and have a good look round. The fabrication work on this thing's second to none. The car started out as a granddad spec 1.1L. He bought it back in the day when he was 19. It's sporting a V6 engine. It's a 3-litre AG30, I think. It's basically a Jaguar engine, but it's the same as obviously all the Mondeo ST220s. His engine's been fully worked. It's got throttle bodies on it, a dry sump, etc. It's bolted up to a tractive gearbox. The engine should rev to 9 grand. Built by Jeff Richardson, pumping out about 380 horsepower. Big boy Atlas on the back, custom built suspension. It's got the Rager 3-way shocks, all big 6-link setup on the back, custom cage. All the fab work's been done by him. I love the cutout on the back of the bubble arches on the front arches. It's got eccentric top mounts on it, all rose jointed. It even got a cheeky little notch in the inner wing to accommodate where the alternator's slung out to the side. Side exit exhaust, one of my personal favourites. All the Haltech and wiring was all done by Phil at XDR Motors. I love the big flat floor Venturi out the back with the big diffuser. Yeah, it's one proper aggressive looking Mark 1 race car. I can't wait to see this thing all painted, finished, up and running and out racing with the rest of the modified Ford pack.
Edith? She's like your one, but look how low it is. Look at all the Benga buses. What do you reckon? Their own stand. Should we stick stickers all over our Benga bus? She's knackered. She's running on empty. Just got a £400 brain burger. Hopefully that'll recharge her for a bit. You doing good, Pops? You having fun?
We also spied Zach's old Golden Nugget Sierra estate. Catching up with the new owner, he's done an awesome job of putting in a fully forged ST170 engine in it, and it's got a Rotrex supercharger, one of Zach's dual plenum inlets, and I think the whole back end's Cosy stuff now with a Type 9 gearbox. This is exactly the sort of setup this car deserved. I'll have to try and tap him up to go and do a proper video on the whole car and the build and go out for a blast in it.
These are all the drift cars. Some serious drift cars here today. These are going to be good, Pops. You're going to like these ones.
We have the drifters heading out onto the circuit.
You ready for this, Edith?
We are here at the cricket competition. My name is Matt Buckle. Below, just coming in front of the VRDC stand now. We're going to get these events before where we have driftings. New ones that you see Johnson, Jones in the match who has got a fully tuned tires.
And here we go.
Right, boys and girls, I'm going to show. Where are you going to see? Mark 4, Escort Mark 3.
He's not doing too bad considering he's still got a bit of metal in his eye. up.
Why is the bonnet up, Lars?
That's what happens on this car, isn't it? It's just
What's happened now?
no, nothing. The brakes are gone,
Brakes are gone.
faded. Just
What,
coming
just
down
got
there,
too hot?
honking, and it's just bulkhead.
Have you got pressure in the pedal, or
It's come back up when you pump it.
maybe it's got too hot?
I think they just boiled over, yeah.
What fluid have you got in it?
Yeah, whatever.
Or anything out of the trucks.
So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Another Ford fair done. Edith's had an absolute blast, as you can see. She's KO'd. Decided to leave a little bit earlier. She was running on empty, and I think I've caught the sun a little bit sunstroked. So yeah, we're going to hit the road, head on back home. Yeah, it's wicked though. Good to catch up with everyone. Lawrence obviously got some good track time in. Good to see Josh out in the escort van doing the drifting.